Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you're getting the error like this, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings, and from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down, tap on general. First of all, you have to make sure that if you have updated your device to the latest iOS version, then scroll it down and just simply have to tap on language and region. So guys, if you have selected your language and region during creation of your Apple ID, you have to select same one on your iPhone or iPad. Now after that guys, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then you have to download the Sport app from App Store. You can also go to the browser and just simply have to search for Apple Sport. So from here you have to wait some seconds. So just simply have to search for getsport.apple.com. As from here guys, you can easily see tell us what happening. Just simply have to explain about your problem that you are getting the error. Please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. So fix my issue as soon as possible. And after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still exists there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page, open the settings. From here guys, you have to tap on your account, and from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on media and purchases. So tap on view account. From here guys, you have to put your password. So let me put my password here guys. If it's asking, so you have to put the password, and after that guys, you can see change country option. So let me put my password here guys. Now I have given the password. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds after giving the password. You can easily see here country origin option, tap on that. From here guys, you have to change your country origin. So from here guys, you have to change the country origin, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.